In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily upload a short video on YouTube. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to open up YouTube app, then sign into your YouTube account, and after that tap right here at that plus. What that will do, that will activate your device's camera. From here we can record a short video by tapping at that button, and also we can upload some from our gallery. Let me select a video from here that is less than 60 seconds. Here I got one. Then we can trim it from the start and from the end in that way. To continue, I'm gonna hit add done. Now we can add there another video. We can continue recording video up to 60 seconds in that way, and then just hit add this check mark. After that you will be taken to that step where you can edit this video a bit. Here we can add there some text, just like that. Then we can move it around, and also we can add there some filters, voiceover. We can head over to timeline to make it easier to edit our video, and then to continue hit add next. Now guys, on the next step we need to add details for our video. First off, we can caption it. Just tap right here and enter a title for your video. Also here we can change visibility settings, we can add location, we can change audience settings, we can add some related video here, allow or not allow video and audio remixing, and also we can activate or deactivate comments for that short. To continue, I'm gonna hit add done, and now basically guys, all we have to do to upload a short is just hit add that button, just like that. That will start uploading a short video, and once it is done it will be automatically shared on your YouTube channel. Basically guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.